Hello, if you don't know me, my name's Addison. Today we are going to be reading a book on Epic. And if you haven't so far, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to find the book that we are going to read today. We are going to be reading Rainy. It is cold, cloudy. Will it rain? Rainy. Clouds have water drops. They fall. Rain is good. It waters plants. Animals drink it. We wear boots. We wear coats. We play in the rain. Grab your umbrella. Grab your umbrella. Feel the raindrops. I hope you enjoyed this book. Bye.